Model, 2015 Renault Trafic Vivaro LL29 Business Plus Energy 1.6 DCI needs head gasket no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 165700. MOT, the 28th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, start-stop. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2020. Click the link in the description for pictures and